The IMS solution, co-developed by Flat 6 Innovations and LN Engineering, offers a permanent IMS bearing replacement for the Porsche M96 and M97 engine. The IMS solution replaces the problematic single-row ball bearing found in model year 2000 through 2005 engines with a plain bearing designed to last the lifetime of your engine. Simply put, the IMS solution by design works like the rod and main bearings in your engine. By replacing the factory-sealed ball bearing with a pressure-fed, oil-lubricated plain bearing, the IMS solution eliminates 11 wear components and potential damage caused by foreign object debris. This simplified design eliminates engine-wide collateral damage from ball bearing debris, as well as preventing damage from a loss of proper valve timing when the factory IMS bearing fails. No more difficult to install than an IMS retrofit, the patent-pending IMS solution utilizes a spin-on oil filter adapter to provide clean, filtered, and pressurized oil to the IMS solution's plain bearing through a specially designed IMS bearing flange assembly. Save time and money with IMS solution, the one and only permanent solution to costly IMS bearing failures.